Alright, howdy, 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 howdy. Welcome back. Filmora Reverse Engineering. There is no spoon. Alright, so here we go. This is... Oh! Also, that scan that I started earlier, that virus total scan on obh.bmp, 0 out of 59, and a good portion of these don't even scan bitmaps. Alibaba, these... Silence. That's a top, like... commercial antivirus doesn't even scan bitmaps. Nope. In-game G-data. What is this antivirus scan? Timed out. Ooh, fun. Maybe. Sophos doesn't do it. Sentinel. Yeah. But checks out 100% clean because there's nothing to find to them. Like, you can't run the bitmap and have it dump the exe. You have to have the tool to dump it. The only way that you would potentially be able to do that is if you wrote the tool into a payload and then you had some exploit for a bitmap viewer like Paint. If you reverse engineered Paint and you learned that if you put just this string of characters or something in there, when it tried to render it, it would overflow, and then you could run some code and then run the tool to dump and run it. That's a different story. But that's also a different technique. Now, on to Filmora. Now that people are actually back. Here's Filmora. I don't know what it is, but it looks like a video editor. I'm gonna hit easy mode because I'm a nub when it comes to editing. That's why I do live streams. I don't edit. Even my videos back in the day that look like they're edited, no, I used what was called instant demo. I recorded my screen and I hit pause. Then I hit play. I hit pause. I hit play. I'd hit pause. If I had to sneeze or cough or I'd hit pause. Then I'd hit play. And I'd try not to move anything. And if I fucked it up, I would restart the whole thing. And back then, it was rough. Because your YouTube videos had to be 9 minutes or less. And so most people, the biggest complaint was, slow down! It was a great video, but could you kind of explain a little more? I said, not really. Hey, Helium, glad to see you back. Not really, because nobody wants to watch part 1, part 2, part 3. Nowadays, people are into it. They'll watch multi-part episodes. But back then, no. If it was 8 minutes, 9 minutes, there better not be a part 2. So times have changed a lot. And I can do longer videos. I can do live streams. And one day, I'm no master, but I am good. One day I might go back and cut up, the best clips of them and upload those, the highlights, because I might have a 3-hour stream where there's half an hour worth of content. It happens. So first things first, let's see here. What's this? Log into your Wondershare. Don't have an account. Log in. No, I don't. Don't want to create an account either. What's this? Offline activation. That's what we want to do. But let's do settings. Oh, yes, please enable GPU acceleration. Temporary. Yeah, that works. eDrive. Okay. All right. Now let's, I'm going to try to import a media file. Let's go to stream recordings. Let's get like the smallest one. And see, I record all mine in FLV. There you go. Let's go this one. What's this? Oh, that was yeah, that's Rick and Morty. Alright, a gig. Do we have anything smaller? Hello. Alright. Let's drop that in there. 700 some megabytes. We're dropping it in. Oh my god, it's going to import FLV? I might have to actually use this software, which means if I crack it, I'd have to actually buy it because I don't support, non-ethical things. Alright, well, we got that next. Yeah, I don't know what all this is all about. What the hell is this theme shit? Okay, maybe I don't have to use it. No, I don't want no music. What? No. No. Just, what the fuck is this? What even is this? Add me a file. Did I do this wrong? Did I need to go like advanced or something? Does anybody know what this actually is or how to use it? Okay. So let's get to the good stuff. Offline activation. Licensed email. info@give.academy. Registration code. Blah, blah, blah. Looks legit, right? Alright, activate. Invalid license email and registration code. Both. Excuse me. So, let's go ahead and open up the release folder. Read our text messages. Okay. Open up X, I think it's 64-bit. Typically you find out like this. You go Wondershare for Filmora, open file location, and then you go properties, compatibility, check that, and if it stops at Vista, it's 64-bit. It's 32, it goes back further. Or you can run it and then check in here, and it would not show 32-bit. But as you can see, things don't always. There, X32. 32-bit 32. File attach. WS Chrome. Interesting. Wondershare Chrome. I wonder if it's using that to do calls. Well, here's Filmora. T application, WS Chrome. It literally has Chrome browsers running. I guess that's one way to do activation. You could use like jQuery and shit. Anyhow, let's attach. And this might take just a little while, but you know, we're doing the reverse engineering thing. Sometimes you gotta hurry up and wait. And then let's hit run. Oh, it's running. I don't have it pausing on attach. That's good. I like it. Let's view modules. Filmora. WS image pro coming. Now WS log. That's interesting. Let's sort these by name. Let's go down to WS 232. That's going to be where it does most of its things typically. And it's going to be received from, send to, for its online activation or its activation checking. So let's go back and let's grab Filmora. I'm Duke Nukem. No, my Duke voice is terrible. Your face, your ass, what's the difference? Alright, so Filmora.exe, we have imports, we have exports, we have message box A. That's let's go ahead and do this. First thing I'm going to do is, now that we're here, that looks pretty awesome. Let's do Control A and see if it does anything when we analyze it. Analyze. Basic block starts in. Okay, this looks just fantabulous. What is going on with everything? It's like broked. Let's search for. You know what? Let's go straight for it. Let's go string references. EAKID, medium, and large blocks are. EAKID, leaked. Alright, and I think it said like invalid or something like that. Valid. Activarian. Activate login.click. WSID activation. Do activate reg code. Wondershare ID activate reg code URL. Activation. No breathing. Activate. show activated. This is just loading strings, it looks like from resources. Okay, so let's do our favorite thing in the world, hit activate. See how it shows unactivated? Now let's hit pause. Wait for the pause. See if it ever fucking pauses. Debug, run to user code. Okay. Well, clearly, is this a different fucking window? Registration code. That's pretty strange. Let's hit run. View modules. Okay, so it could be somewhere else altogether. I can't believe I'm gonna do this, but let's do this. Let's do search for all modules. This is a bad idea. Total progress. And it was invalid. This is gonna take a while. This is another thing I hate about searching for strings. Oh, I could use my little string searcher thingy. Apparently somebody named Jenkins worked on this. Jenkins, how are you? My computer's been doing this thing lately where it just hard locks. I think it's my power supply. It'll just randomly just hard lock. I thought maybe it was the RAM, so nope, it wasn't the RAM. It still does it. Is there a way to stop this? Ooh, buddy. Yeah, this is a bad idea. Like, whose idea was this? Yeah, bad idea. It's just gonna crash itself. No way to stop that for now. We could do a pattern search control. Yeah, I was gonna say we'd probably have best luck doing Alt M Control B. Let me just fucking kill this. And let's do the old run it without not 32. Run it without, oh, that doesn't do admin prompt? Weird. Restart as admin. File, of course now it's not going to be here, yep. Open. Oh god. C drive, program files, Wondershare, Filmora. Let's just run it. So now that we're in Filmora, do a quick Control A, and then let's do Alt M, Control B. Let's search for invalid. I hate this keyboard. I even thought, well, hey, maybe it's my keyboard. Is this program really that big, or oh, there it goes. Oh god. Invalid license key. Please contact Starburn Software using support. Starburn. I think we're in fences. You know how many times that's just pissed me off. We want to be in the right address space. Let's search for something a bit bigger. I'm actually going to run it outside another copy. And let's get that little error message again. Let's do full feature mode. Oh, look, this is way more like you can do shit with it. Not just be like, oh, here's this. Give me a thing and then do this. No. Okay. File. Help. Offline activation. Activate. Invalid licensed. Licen. I never remember how to spell that. Invalid licensed. Licensed. Just let that go. 0 occurrences found. Awesome. Let's search for a registration. Well, that's not helpful. Guess we actually have to run it first. Oh, is it complaining that it's already running? I love that. Filmora version 8.7.0. There we go. Go to hell! Offline activation. I almost feel like this is a different thread, but who really knows at this point? Okay, we're in filmora.exe, and let's do search for current module, intermodular calls. Good lord, it's a big ass file. Oh look, there's message box. Wonder if that ever gets called. Could we be so lucky? Message box. F2, 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 F2. If this is Delphi, we want to look for Beaster. Var, what do you know? Var, var. Compares bull from string. That should probably do it. Let's find out. Do we break? We don't break. Interesting. Dialogue. Create. Directory, nope. Let's search for get DLG item, get window text. There we go. Get let's look for send and WSA. All right, let's give that a shot. Yay, we paused somewhere on something. Send. We're doing offline activation, and it's trying to send to interface recent order email verify code for offline activation. It's almost like a test to see if you are actually offline first. Now that's going to hit send there. Now we should host. So here's cbs.wondershare.com. We can just put that in our handy dandy host file. C drive. Let's go Windows System sysfile. Drivers. Driver. I think it's in 32. Windows. Wait, did I just drivers? Yeah, it's in 32. Somebody just stream chat. Sorry. You could always try the IDR with Delphi again. IDR. And yeah, could, but this file's fucking huge. So let's do 127.0.0.1, and let's do, what was it, cbs.wondershare.com. I think. Yep. Save. Ah, you son of a bitch. There we go. Okay, so that's going to fail anyways. I do want to do Control F9, F8, and see what called this. F8. This called it. This is going to be called get local time. This is going to get called. Essentially, I want to do Control F9, F8. So that called it. Now this goes here. This is all web shit. PHP session ID. Awesome. This goes over all of it down to right here. And several things actually land us here. Let's go to that. And let's find references to constant 7F. That's not what I want. I want a button that says find references to that. Which, of course, if we go to RBP, and then that's plus 7F, it's going to be 7 somewhere in here. God, this is just janky as fuck. 64-bit. So 7F is going to be, I think, here. Can I scroll? No. Go to. No, that won't work. can we do follow and stack? I'm sure there's a button. Follow and stack. Oh, we can follow and dump. And we're going to move that byte into, and you see we're using it here for a test as well. So it's just this byte, this one byte. So we're going to just keep an eye on that for a little while. We could end up here a veritable amount of ways. And essentially we want to think of this here, that call there, as potentials. Let's hit let's hit this. There we go. We'll hit F8. I'm going to hit Control F9, and we hit this break. And you'll see that we're going to move into that as 0, and then we're going to jump out. So we don't know that that means anything yet, but I'm sure it probably does. Control F9, F8. This called that. We're still in web shit. And we'll see that we are here. We're going to move into that AL. So that's this byte again. Probably. Maybe it's not. I mean, it should be. Oh, look, it's a 1. So it's not. Anyhow, we want to go through the return. So now we have a jump here. We have a landing here. This is going to jump to here, which who knows what that is, but we do have a landing here that goes over that from here, and it compares this with 0, which it was placed there from here as long as we land on it, which is this compared EO, which is R8 here. So whatever calls this is probably going to be show references. Pretty interesting. Put a double check there and a double check there. Anytime you see test AL, hell, nowadays you could probably just scan for test AL and just start with 1 and go to the end. Alright, IDR doesn't support 64-bit. F8? No, let's hit star so we know where we're at. Okay, we're moving to that byte AL, and right now that byte is a 1. And we're going to overwrite it. Follow and dump that. No, it's not a 1, it's a 0. We're going to make it still a 0. And then we're going to move into RCX that same value. Nope, +1. A call to here. I thought I hit F8, but alright. So here we see that we are not going to do this stuff based off of RCX. Okay, so we come back. Let's do a Control F9, F8. And here we are on test AL. What calls this? A couple places. And AL is going to be wrong, so we're going to go here. We're not doing this. What called this? And there is going to be the interesting bit. So let's hit F8, F8. See, now instead of moving, so we just tested this. Instead of moving a 0 to that address, we're moving a 1. And then we're going to compare another address with 0. So, interesting. And I'm actually going to, no, we're going to go through it before I change anything. Comes down here, and you'll see we compare with the 2. Come down. And then we're going to do this stuff and return to here, which, again, test jump over the move AL1. This is not called from anywhere, but we're comparing that. We jump over this move into it if it's already 0. So likely this value we will want to be a 0 at some point, but that's not the proper value because this is going to be different at that point in time. It would be RCX. Does RCX ever get changed? Yes, it does. So RBX is most definitely different by now. Put a breakpoint there. Now, we're going to go through it before we get all breakpoint heavy. We have our initial breakpoint, so we're jumping over move AL1, comparing it with 2, and then we're going to move it to 2. So maybe trial. Then we have a call. Okay. Return, and then we're here. Can't see the addresses. There we go. We're not moving ECX a -n. Test EAX. Alright, so now let's do Control F9. We're running, and somewhere in there we got our bad message, which we should pause at some point, probably on the send. Okay, so here's that call. We're going to pause several times. I'm going to hit F8 to go over it and hopefully come back to that if I hit F9. Good, we're back at it. And we have test AL, and you'll see that we have a move byte 0, test AL, jump if equal. And let's see, that is being taken, which goes down there. Let's try to just not take that jump. Run. Invalid. Okay, so that wasn't it. So F8, F9, F8, F8. Let's see where the returns take us. Okay, there's that interesting. Let's see what happens if we move a 0 over here. Run. Okay, wasn't it. And let's actually do some digging now. F8, F9. Let's restore that. I should have taken note as to where those jumps were before, or not the jumps, but which call made us where we were at. So before I hit another call. Oh, look at that. Now we have our name. Jump of equal. Oh, wait a minute. Jump if less than. So, looks like you compared it with the length or something. So likely, we want to come back to this. Breakpoints here. I'm pretty sure I hit fucking F8, but okay. I'm going to hit F9 to get back to it, I hope. Okay, there we go. Test AL, jump if equal. So if this was not taken, we'd be moving a 1 and then jumping here all the way down. So don't think we want to do that because we're about to get to our key. So it's like probably just length checks. And this guy, what's it gonna do? Okay, upcase. Alright, so this call, test AL, and now we're jumping down. Do we want to jump down? I'm not sure we do. I'm going to go breakpoint here, check here, F8, which is now here. Nope, do that, calls that. test AL, and we're jumping all the way down here, and that is going to be registration failed, or this would go over it, and we know that we're testing AL. So instead of test AL, and RAX is being loaded from 5.7, 5.7 is getting AL here. Let's go into this call, and let's make it, let's put a breakpoint here. It's only called from one thing. Let's hit run. Great. Let's hit activate. Go ahead and pop back in here. That's not the call. Nope, it's not. F9, F9. Okay, so I didn't, let's go, can I go back? Yeah, it's this one here. In here. So when we see in here, wait, did I just see in here? I did. Damn it, I went over it. Let's click it again. When we see in here, we're in here. In here. Alright, so I want to follow this down and see what happens with all of this. So we move byte AL, we do a call, jump if not equal, it's comparing to 20, that's great, because essentially, we can just tell it to go here, but instead we're going to go here, and instead of move ZRAX that, let's change this to inc RAX for us. Return. Now AL is totally good. It's actually 11. I probably should have XOR'd first. So we'll do XOR RAX, RAX, inc RAX. Now, uh-oh, wait a minute. Restore selection. What did we get rid of? So we have 5 bytes. Can we just move RAX1? Do we have enough for that? OX01. What the fuck? Move RAX1. No, we don't have enough for that. How about, can we do restore selection? Can we do push? Ah, you motherfucker. Push 1. Pop RAX. Ah, there you go. Push 1, pop RAX. That'll do it. And we didn't override anything else. So that would mean that in AL we wouldn't have 11, but we would have 1. It's new origin here, so we're actually writing that. Move ZRAX, the byte that we just can put in it. Test AL, jump if equal. We're good. And remember the check here, I was right. So call, I did hit F8, so we should come back to this. There we go. Move AL1. Move that same byte 1 again. Return, test AL, jump equal, call, let's hit run. And the registration code is not activated. Please try again later. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us for help. So, we might have to go a little bit deeper. Little bit deeper. But we're close. You know, that's just how it works. So we should be paused. Let's do this. Do this. In here is, should be good, nice and patched, but we want to, every time we come in here, we want to check and see if we're still doing that jump, because we may not be. There's a possibility that we may not be. Sorry, I got distracted. All these messages. I thought I did that. Whoops. Okay, so in here, this should do it, right? But we do want to check it every time. Well, if one is offline, this patchwork. Oh, well, we can go a little deeper. But let's go down this. Make sure that we always hit that, because there's probably times that we don't hit that. I'm going to hit F8. Check here. We're good. I'm going to hit F9. Okay, we're in here again. We always hit that so far. Essentially, I want to keep going down this. Test SIL. It's 1. Jump if not equal. Wait a minute. Wait. Let's new origin here. Okay, here's another test that is going to jump over this 0. We may check here 2. Because we may need that. We'll find out. Okay. Oh, interesting. Move AL1. That's good. Usually. Typically. Return. Test AL. It's good. Okay. We want to hit F8 on these until we continue execution. And that's the one that we want to come back to. Unless that SIL just did it for us. Good fucking heavens. It's like cleaning up after itself. Yeah, sometimes you just have to F8 quite a lot. Okay, I'm not going through user 32. Control F9, F8, Control F9, F8. Okay, this is the Chrome browser we're in now. Okay, Control F9, so somewhere in here popped that up for us. Follow slowly. Or, oh, never mind, it's activated because it was the SIL. So we need to go back. That was a ways back. Didn't I label it check here too? I don't want to jump to it because, I mean, it would bring me back, but we're almost halfway there now. We're getting close. Test AL, it's coming up. There it is. I didn't label it because if we hit minus, yeah, we jumped there, but we should not have. ESI was from EAX, and EAX came from here in here. So weird. We're gonna breakpoint right there, running. Okay, so help, offline activation, some shit, activate, should be paused, we are. Don't need this one, F9. Don't need that one, F9. Definitely don't need these ones, F9. Or that one, F9. Or that one, F9. Probably don't need that one, F9. Okay, in here, we're always incrementing. I'm guessing that there's probably one where you're supposed to decrement, where it's supposed to not hit it. So we're good on this one, F9. Okay, here's that call, and it's going to take us into here. So if I try to hit F8, of course it's going to bring us in here. So let's see, what is different about this one? Absolutely nothing. Move ESI, EAX, and somebody remind me, shouldn't ESI be the bottom? Anyways, it's not referenced anywhere else. So move RCX, RBX. It's very strange. Oh, my chat window. There it is. Test SIL. Of course, that's not going to... Okay, yeah, so now we have a 1 there. And then we say jump if not equal. So, like, I think it's checking to see if you're online here, and that's why not taking this jump was good. So with that, we would just do binary edit a byte there. So we just can't take it. So let's hit F9, and we'll see that we are activated. Good to go. And it does try to open this. Let's click that, and of course, I can't get to cbswondershare.com. But it's going to go to PID and M equals R. So, okay. I kind of want to see what it is now. I need to modify my host file. Let's just put a bloopity doop doop right there. Hit that and try to go to it. And now let's patches. This one, I feel like we could clean this up a little bit more. Yeah, we could. We could tell it instead of jumping here, jump right there. And that would probably work better. Oh, look. The page it takes you to is this. Registration successful. Thank you. I wonder if it actually registers, like if I had an account, if it would actually register it too. Let's try this. Instead of jumping to here, let's do binary copy just for the hell of it. Restore selection. And then we know that we're always taking this one because it hates us. And instead of jumping to there, let's jump to right here. Copy address. Control V. OX. So that's 1 byte, and it will take us right here. And I wonder if we need the other one now, the other patch here. We'll find out with the. I'm going to leave these breakpoints, and let's do it again. Offline activation. Activate. We're paused. In here, I don't need this one anymore, but I am going to go down. This is going to always go to here, and that's going to put it where it needs to be, get it, do it. Okay, we're gonna hit run. Of course, check here is good. We're gonna remove that one. Okay, here's our SIL. So here's the call. Of course, if I go over it, F8, ESI, EAX, test SL, this would still have been taken, so we do need that. F9, remove. Of course, now we're activated. It's going to pop open another browser over there. So let's do patches. 2 bytes, 2-byte patch. Export. Filmora. Let's put this in downloads. Filmora. 2 bytes. Let's patch a file. Let's go in here and grab not Filmora, but let's click it, do a copy, and we'll patch the copy. Yep. Okay. Exit. Kill it. Don't ask me again. If I say kill it, I mean kill it. All right? Kill it. Okay. So down, back. Damn it. Oh, do I have it open already? No, I don't. C drive, program files, Wondershare, Filmora. Let's run our copy. Filmora version 8.7.0. Let's click full feature mode. Let's hit help about. I don't know if it ever says trial anywhere. Gmaster, does it ever say trial anywhere? I'm sure it did somewhere and I'm just not seeing it. What's this message? Oh, now everybody's leaving. Yeah, on the offline, right, on the offline activation box, I know it does, but I expect it to there. Activate your software. The registry. Oh. Did I miss something? Let's open up desktop, release. Did I miss something? Feel like I didn't, but okay. Attach. When we are activated, the username is 0 boxes are disabled. Oh. Filmora. Copy. I wonder if it's reading from registry or something. Is there a limitation I can test? And there's no free trial button there. Oh, yeah. Let's go modules, Filmora copy. Of course, this is different. Does anybody remember that address? Let's go search for command, current module command, and it was move ESI EAX. It's probably not that many of them. 8-ishes. Well, let's just start at the top. That's not it. I want to say it's in the 800 region. Oh, let's search for test SIL. Search for current module, command, test, SIL. There's probably less of those. Famous last words. Famous fucking last words. want to say it was in like the 800 region. I could probably have opened it back up by now. Oh, right there. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, because there's our patch. Weird, it's not hitting there. I wonder if I'm not typing in something big enough. Or my other patch failed. Which should have been just up from that. It wasn't far. Control A. Move AL1. Is this it? No, that's not it. I feel like it wasn't far. Maybe I'm going the wrong way. Maybe it's the other way. Because for whatever reason, we're not hitting there anymore. It doesn't work with the same email and password combo after all. Oh, I see. So like the mere fact that I let it go out, it is deactivating it. It could be. Let's search for current module command move AL1, and we'll just look for that region because there's probably going to be a ton of these. Wish you could hover these. Wouldn't that be nice? That sure would be nice. Oh, is that it? I don't think that's it, but it might be. Definitely don't think that's it. Oh, yep, this is it. This is definitely it. And we have this going to move AL1. So, oops. Ah, there's another one. Nope. Wait, what? Oh, okay. I was gonna say, I didn't click that. That's that one. O9AF. Interesting. That's like traditional right there. Move it or clear it. I mean, what else are you going to do with it, really? I wonder if it's the delay that we're imparting on it that's causing it to work. It's timing out the request and thinking we're offline. Alright, so we pause here for sure. Get tick count. Copy sleep. Get tick count. Ah, it is a time. Okay. And then that is going to go down to there, so... that would jump to here, test AL, and it would jump out. So essentially, EAX comes from this guy, 4C, RBP 40. Yeah, as long as this respawns with AL1 when we get to the bottom here. Because this would go out. So I don't care about any of this. That would, if matched, take us all the way out. Maybe I do care about it and I can just do it up there. So the next test isn't for a while. So that was here. Nothing else takes us out. I do want to check this. I'm going to put a break. We have a break here. Oh, there's 5-7 again. Yeah. And there's 5-7. So this, we have jumping. Yep, this is another one. It's checking that same address. So here, essentially, we would just do... yeah, we want to move that by 1. So let's grab this. Let's do push 1, pop RAX, and then put it in there. Jump if not equal, F9. I don't think we ever actually hit it. Now this one, we've already patched. Okay, so now we've hit this one. And we're going to be pushing the 1, storing that motherfucker. And then test AL, jump if equal. It's not, so we're going to get what we want. Or I just did it completely backwards. That could be a thing. Okay, let's check this out again. So we clear it. We move into that. Okay, I think we can circumvent this whole thing just by going push 1, pop RAX. Because now, new origin here, set new origin here. We're just going to store it right now. And then move that. Sleepy sleep. And then here, we are clearing it. Now this would go here. So this was the one that I was talking about earlier, and I think we want to just zero this one. I'm going to undo this, and I'm going to undo this, because this new origin here will do that, and then jump over this, test, and then jump over all of it for us. Byte 57 has our 1. There. So that worked. Let's view patches. Yeah, 1 byte. One more byte. So that's here. Let's do binary. Let's do copy address. Let's do file open the original. Get back over to that. It doesn't. Okay, and then let's hit run. No, stop. File open the original. Just stop what you're doing. x64, stop it. Stop it. Just, okay, I'm gonna kill this. That's gonna kill my video stream for a minute. Oh geez, just kill yourself already. Thank you. x64, recent, Filmora, the actual one. I think I clicked it a few too many times. Whoopsie. First world problems with PC Pro hit, right? I'm like, gah! Let's go patches, import, downloads. Yes, Filmora. Then let's go to this address, and let's 1 byte patch that. Binary edit 0. Now, is that going to do what I think it's going to do? I'm not 100% certain, because nothing is putting it into our doohickey just yet. Into that one address, because I manually did that last time. Variable compare. Okay. Forgot about those. Oh god. There. Just run. Oh look, it's trying to send. Run. Get window text. All those breakpoints that I put in, you remember those? Yeah, whoops. Full feature mode. It did pause here. We are going there. Now that file, let's see, does it ever get set? See that right there. This byte isn't being set. At least not yet. And see, yeah, that's gonna fuck it up. How much does this take? That'll work if we have to do it that way. Yeah, that's going to go to registration failed. Oh. See if there's anywhere else that we can set that. Actually, I want to search for current module command. We want to go that, but this would be AL. No, damn it, it's move, not. This is where you could cheat engine and find that. 80798. Okay, so here's that breakpoint where we did the 1 byte patch. Now, that gets set if it's naughty, but only if it's naughty. And we are, oh no, it goes down there. So push 1, pop RAX. That will do it. I don't like it, but that will set it. But does it ever get set anywhere else improperly? Let's take a look at our references here. So this call here, whatever returns this, now we know that this one is going to jump down to here, which is move AL1, and it will set that accordingly. That's fine. What about this one? Move AL1. So really, whatever is putting us here, so that or this is what's screwing us. Which we would be fine if we were here, because that would put us there, and then this would jump us down past it. That's the problem. So it's redundant, and that's exactly what we did. We told it, okay, here, do this, move AL1, and then jump to here. So it's never actually getting set because we're going test, and it goes, right, you're good. And it goes through, and it goes through to here, and then over all of this. Where it's not ever going here. Because of this one right here. So we got some breakpoints. Let's hit run. Take this with a grain of salt, hit that. So now we'll see it in action. We're saying no, move AL1, it's jumping, test AL, and it says, oh, jump, it's not 0, so we're not going to jump. We're going to move AL1 still. We're going to jump down to here, which is right there. Test AL, jump if not equal, which it's not. It's not 0, so we're going to go past all that. And we really need to be here, so let's actually one byte patch this to do all this, because it's not going to hurt us to do it. If anything, it's just going to grab our names and shit. So now AL is 1. We're going to store that and grab it again, test it, and then we're good to go, because now we're going to restore it again. All of those things check out. F9, and we're activated. So is that, could we have just patched that is my question. So let's go patches, this one, that's not the one, so let's undo that one, let's undo that one, this one, let's undo that one, undo that one, and only problem is we did something to get here before, which I think was this one. Yeah, it was this one. So I think we need those two. Okay, so we land here. Now what happened? Where would we have been jumping? I don't remember. Right here. Let's see what happens if we actually take that. Do we still get down to our other byte? Yeah, we do. So we're not going to jump. We go through all these. See, now AL isn't set, so we need the other one to actually set it. I think. Yeah. Yep. So this one, we need to set it. Let's hit run. Run, Rudolph. This will be no. Then this should work, because now we're going to set it. We're going to go through all this junk that we don't really need to go through. Wait, what? Yeah. No. Wait, what the fuck just happened? Okay, so boom, jump, test AL, move AL, test AL, we don't jump, call, oh, yeah, so in here, this one does need to be done. Let's go back to patches. We'll patch that guy. We're going to leave that one for now. And do we need this one still? I don't know, but let's try this. My chat keeps getting disappeared. Okay, run. Run. Okay, so we do need the other one. We probably need them all. to be honest. Let's try this guy. We're just going to leave this one out because I'm not 100% certain we're going to need that one. Guess what? We need it. There you go. So we'll go patches, export, Filmora. It's not exactly 2 bytes anymore, but yeah, you know, patch file. We're gonna delete this copy and that ini. Delete, delete. Control CV. Exit. Closing debugger. This could take a while. Everybody just take a nap. Let's run the copy and see if it's different. Not activated. So we have more to do. However, let's do this. Let's save the host file. Close it. Because there's definitely some redundancy going on here. Takes a little bit longer if it can't access its server. To get started, okay, that's new. Let's just exit that. Offline activation. Let's see if this works now. So clearly I done messed something up. Let's open it back up and find out. Alright. Recent, Filmora. There's probably just one little stupid thing I'm missing. Like it needs to actually be a 0 and I'm forcing it to be a 1. Something like that. Patch file, import, downloads, Filmora. What I actually want to do is see, it's going to check it on run. I want to see what happens now. So it's got our name and shit. Does a call, compares EAX with 20, so a length. Now see, it's wrong. We're going all the way down, but we're missing, like, I feel like we want to actually go into this one. Because this is where all the magic happens. Like, that's definitely calculating some shit. Because we compare RBP plus 50, which likely we're passing into it. Let's go like this and see what happens. Move byte 43. Let's go follow and dump. Move RCX, RBPDO. Move RDX, this guy, which is 144, which is this byte right here. Move R8D, R90, calls this guy, which I have to click. F7. Let's see what happens in here. Multiply, move RDX some shit, add S, do a loop, SD, oh look, we're calculating a key. And where is it stored? I don't see anywhere that's ever actually storing anything, so it's just adding up a value in RAX right now. And we should be almost done. There we go. Move EAX B, sub EAX and ECX, multiply EAX and EDI, multiply EAX with some random fucking number, add EAX R9, XR, divide, H texture, racks, move RK. Move EDX, byte at follow and dump. Okay, let's follow and dump. Compare, we're not at the end, so it's going to do it again. And that's going to be our key. We'll probably self-keygen this damn thing. So this is a loop that will only ever end here, just in case. Okay. And so now you see this. So binary copy, notepad. RSI plus B with a 0 will follow and dump. RSI plus B. It's going to put a 0 right here at the end of that. And you'll see that we have more to it. If it were a string, binary copy, okay, add RSP to 8, pop, return, compare RBP plus 50. Now this is what I want to know. What is that pointing to? Follow and dump RBP plus 50. It's not a 0. It is a chunk of our key. It's, wait, our key. Wait a minute. A5 B. Okay, this is different. BO, B4, A8, A9, B8. Then we have A5, C9. You'll see that that jumps on out, which is okay. This is definitely part of like key creation. It's going to skip this bit and essentially tell us it's wrong because it's going to be fairly confident that after this call, yeah, so this is going to jump out. This would jump out. That would jump here. So we are jumping over. Let's see what happens. Sucks coming in late, not having a mind map of the assembly to be able to know what you're changing. Oh, right, I know. I'm sorry. Now this is going to do something, a lot of something, and then either return or move AL1. Binary edit. There's several ways to get here, several ways to get here. Oh, let's do... Screw that. What did I just edit? We want to undo that. Let's go star, enter, restore. Let's do star F7. And essentially we want to edit this one. Binary edit 0, because that's going to move AL1 and then jump to the end. Test AL, it's good. Return, move ESI, EAX, test, there we go. See, now we went deeper. So we don't need that anymore. We shouldn't. Remember me. And you have... oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, we're going out, return, add, return. Start version. Oh, look. I'll say registered. So I think that's the only patch we actually need is that first one. I'm going to hit F8. Okay, so this is our in here. And we do need this one to not jump out of that. I'm going to F9. Then in here, let's undo this. Hit F9. Okay, now we're running. But good to see ya. Get all your paperwork done. Dr. Dakota over there. Whoa. That dishwasher's still running. The hell. Full feature mode. Login or create. Skip now. Continue with trial. So it thinks we're trial. Offline activation. Unactivated. We pause and we land here. We're not taking that jump. Okay, so let's look in here. Ambiguous memory size. Damn it. Yeah, that won't work. So that's going to be taken. We don't want that taken. But let's let it be taken for now. Yeah, so this is bad. Okay, let's hit this again. And we're not going to take that. We are going to take that. Test AL. Normally we would have taken this to where? To there. Oh. One of my patches broke it. Okay, so like I said before, let's go to patches. The one that we did, it was this one. I think that's the only one we need. So I'm going to undo these ones. And let's see if that works. Pauses, we hit this, we go over that. See, it doesn't do it right. There was one more that we did need to make sure that we went in there. Kind of forgot that one. Yeah, it was this one. Nope. Patches. Let's not do that one, but let's definitely do this one. Wait, was that the one that I needed? See, now I'm sitting here thinking, well, maybe I'm doing too much. Apparently I'm not doing too much. Alright, so patches, let's try these. I'm sure I'm still missing some. I'm sure of it. Stop. God, so many tabs open from this crap. Yes, I am starting to. I wish, but you have to have been at a job. Oh, damn it. That's like the worst of both worlds. Let's run this and see what happens. Not support center. Go away. Alright, so it says I'm activated. Got a good message. But this is still here. So back to the old drawing board. Although if there's like a limitation of some type I could test just to see if, hey, we're past it, that'd be great. Well, let's close this and no. rewind. And I should have breakpoints. Yeah, I'm in that awkward stage where I am just as used to this as what I've forgotten in this. So I'm like, son of a bitch. I either have to go full back or full in. So we hit an int3 breakpoint here. Let's see what it does. Oh, God. Run. Why are you broken? Oh, pff. Son of a bitch. It's going to catch up and then run. I don't want it to. Oh, it's not. Okay. Let's hit run. Wait, this isn't patched. That's supposed to be patched because you'll see that that gets taken and it's not supposed to be taken. Oh, right. So let's get the bad message real quick. Oh, wait. We need to... Is it the INI? Is that what's storing it? Code key. Oh, what do you know? Product key. Value 1. Well, I'm not certain where it's saved. The output file will only be 1/3 length of the source file. There's a limit of 5 videos that can be downloaded from video hosting sites. Casting. Okay, cool. So, did we yeah, we did. Run. Okay, so... This right here is interesting. I wonder if we just do inc rax and then do new origin here. We're hitting this a lot. Right. Also the watermark. Although I think we got it just with that. I'm gonna laugh my face off. But I think we've got it. It checks this so damn often, and it's only called from 2 places. Here and here. So this is definitely the one that's like it. In here is definitely it. Registration code is not activated. How do you know? So that right there got us something pretty cool. Help Offline activation. I actually just want to rewind, hit that spot again, because this call and then this would jump like out, and then it forces us to return, because this will jump to here, which moves back in that. Yeah, I want to rewind. So I think, I mean, this place only called from 2 places. Shouldn't we? Oh, I took the fucking breakpoint off. Rewind. Again. Take 2. Sofort aufhören. If you aren't breakpointed, you son of... Oh, it is. Okay. Wait, what? Why didn't it break here? Like it has every other time a bajillion times. Okay, that time it broke. Here. Okay, so this guy... which is called from all over the fucking place. Oh, whoops. Yeah, RAX. AD. Were we supposed to take this or not? I think we weren't. Remember these 2 addresses. Because we could have landed here and put a value from EAX in it. New origin here. Went through the length of the source file. Okay, free. Right. It's getting the length of our key is all that one does. AD. Okay, that's registration failed, so people are talking over here. Let's jump through this real quick. Hit this button. Okay, so let's undo this. Hit this button. Come in here. Let's undo this. And let's actually jump to here. Okay, let's try that. P. Ah, so W. Let's just see what happens here. But has it? Okay, so what I want to do is go patches, tons of them, just terrible. Rewind. I want to hit these breakpoints on that startup again like we had done. Did you do a purge? Purge? User purge? I don't know what you're talking about. So let's go patches, import. Wait, I don't even want to do that. So we're here. I want to do control F9, F8. So this one here, control F9, F8. This guy here and here, most likely, control F8. Okay, so that was this guy. False. Oh, yeah, Discord, not actually. Yeah, I did. I did like 30 days inactive or something like that. Exception access. Okay, fair enough. Rewind. That talk was more recent than that, but yeah, it is what I meant. Nice to see the number didn't hit the. Yeah, I did the 30-day ones. was like that same day that you first logged on when I got home. So let's hit this. We break right here. And when we come out of there, we have some values. So F8. Now in here, let's hit F7 and see what happens in here. So we compare that place with a 0. Let's go follow and dump, constant blah. If it doesn't equal, we skip over all of this. So let's set it to a 1. Access violation. Okay, fine. So don't set that to a 1. I'm told that if you patch a specific address and you're offline, it does work. So, you know, there is that, but I can't stop there. F9. Oh, we gotta click F9. Okay, so this one does some stuff. I'm gonna hit F8. Of course, F8, F8. F8 won't work because we're gonna hit here, so I kind of wish I would have hit that, but we stopped here anyways, so we got those things. Then we're gonna call 806970. Search for find references to. So hit this. Let's hit F7. And this is the in here. So first things first, we need a longer name, a longer email, or pass, whichever the SDFADSF1 is. Needs to be whatever 20 in hex is, which is 32? No, come on, 20. Yeah, 32. 32 length. Okay, if it's not, we're losing it. We're losing the game. We're just gonna hit that. Want to let it boot up so I can change my key. Oh my cat! What do you want out? You want out in the middle of the night? 2:30 in the morning, go on out. Fine, come on. Okay. So let's get it going so I can change my key. Yeah, right? It's freaking annoying. Now I got another one over there meowing. Let's go fjlj at fjlj.com. Let's go. How long is this? I didn't count it. Not long enough. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Cat is adorable, sometimes. Activate. So now we won't actually fucking break in that spot anymore. Right here. And we can see what the hell it is actually doing. Is that what I typed in? Yeah, it is. RBP plus DO. Let's follow and dump. Alright, this one I want to see what it's doing. D. That's not doing anything too interesting. I want to land here. Sorry, I'm thinking. So you saw R10 had some characters in it there. $90. follow and dump. So that's the only right that I see. We should end here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16. Not quite 32. Copy selected lines. Okay, RSI plus B is getting a 0. Yeah, me too. So, hey, we'll see you next time, and I will be following you soon. Putting a 0 there, add RSP 28, pop RBX, pop RSI. RDI R13 return. Not sure what that did, but follow and dump. There's not a 0 there. This is the key that I put in, which is right here, and it grabbed the first 2 and then it stopped. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. This is 32. And that has BEAD in it. Copy selected lines. Okay, let's see what else is happening here. Jump if not equal, which it's not. RBP plus 52. Let's follow and dump. It's 1632, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 16. 8, 16, not quite 32. But this is 32. Copy, binary, copy. And that is what we put in, yes. That's FJLJ, yep. Does that work? Yes, it does. And that took me to 7.3. Okay. Binary copy. Right now I'm literally just playing around. Yeah, that's what we typed in. If we pull this down to only 1 byte short here, it could be anything really. Shit, I hit F8. I wanted to go in here. Well, it's too late now, isn't it? That goes over that. Alright, we'll see you later. Yeah, I'm getting real boring now, so do apologize for that. Nobody said it couldn't have zeros in it. Eight, 16, 32 is here. Binary copy. I think that's going to be it. F9, get our bad message. And then let's put these in there. Edit, replace space with that. Fake faith. Okay, so let's hit F9 a few times. Come in here. We determined that this didn't really do much. Compare byte RBP plus 50, follow and dump, selected that. It's not a 0. So it was almost a 0. Let's see here. We put in FE, EC, FA, OA, FE00. So A7. Okay, so this is what we put in. I think this is what we should have put in. Minus the 0. Binary copy. X. Edit. Replace. It's too long. Let's leave it there. So let's put a 0 in that spot. First, let's do this one here. Follow and dump. Do, that's a 0. I think what we're looking for is to come. Yeah, that's right. After this, follow and dump. Moving that as 0. Binary copy. Follow and dump. It's an A7, so no matter what we put there, it's still an A7. Oh, we needed to land here. Sorry, not real talkative right now. Just pressing F8. Let's remember this. Of course, I broke it. View patches, export, test, rewind. Not boring, very interesting to see your thought process. It's just 3 a.m. here. Yeah, it's 3 a.m. here as well, and I have to be at work at 5 hours, so I need to go to sleep. I'm going to give this one more run around, see where it pauses on the go, and see what that does. And then, yeah, we're going to be calling this one quick. Dishwasher's done, got to unload that, got to pick up some stuff. So we're going to hit run. It pauses here. I'm going to hit run. Now, see, there's nothing that goes over these, is there? No. There's stuff up here. Let's hit run. Wait, let's hit rewind. Saving database. This could take a while. Forgot to apply the patches. So essentially, I want to apply those 4 patches and see what happens. didn't have a name in there, so I don't think it worked, but let's see what happens. Okay, so we got this, and it's going to tell us, yeah, GFY. So I want to actually try to hit pause, run to user code, and close this. Wait message, son of a bitch. I want to know what called that, which is this. So F8, and it's likely all of this. Because we ended up here. Move CL1, sub AL. Control F9, F8. Could have also skipped it. So we ended up coming here, which was all the way up here, which would have been here or here, 2E. So that means that we landed there from this. Which means we landed there from one of these. Because we could have ended up, so this spot right here, you can only get here from two spots. And it's right there and there. You can get here from tons of spots. Boob. Compare DWORD RSI with boob. That's a message loop. Did I not apply the patches again? No, I did. Alright, this is the last time I'm rerunning this. Mark my words. Gotta sit down on this one because I think we can patch it and then just go offline and it will work, but I don't want to do that. So we're here, we're not taking that jump, not taking that jump. Did we want to take those jumps? Oh hell, let's take a jump. We only did it once. I forgot this one. Check here before. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Before run. Now, I want to see if it will break right before it pops up that stupid screen. I think it did. Okay, so that's a call. We could have jumped over it here. Or here, or... Okay, so this was gonna jump over that. And it's gonna jump to here and do this. Oops. Well, that just fucking appeared. clearly still trial. All right. No, this isn't what I want. Where the hell is Windows Firewall? Defender Firewall. I want to advanced. I think that's it. Yeah, there we go. Outbound rules. New rule. Program. Next. Okay, we're going to block it. Host file is saved. And then I want to GV here. Let's go. Let's go binary copy. Actually, I'm gonna go binary copy. Binary paste. Run. True. Registered. True. Registered true. True. Run. Full feature mode. No annoying pop-up, but did we break? Yes, we did. And this was one that was very interesting to me. gonna not take that and see what happens. Okay. I think that was probably a bad thing. Let's view patches because I don't want to do it again. Export last time. Rewind. Alright, we're going to do patch last time. We're going to run. If we get the not activated, we're going to see if we can return to that. And if not something real quick, I'm going to bed because I gotta go like 2 hours ago. Damn it, I just hit run. See, the thinker ain't working so hot. Okay, patches, import, last time, run. Oh, that's broken. So REX becomes what's at REX. Now what's at REX is this, and it becomes what's at this, fall in the dump, and then we go to what's at plus 270. That didn't work. Oh shit. Pop. Alright, well, it's bedtime. Thanks for watching. We will have to continue this saga. And it will probably be like always, where we spend 3 hours on it, don't get it, and then next time it's a 15-20 minute video, and I'm like, there it was. The whole time. So, if you're new, pop on into the Discord, hang out with us. Always dig into things deeper or shallower. Always learn something and never stop trying. Always think. And again, the little tool for hiding things inside of bitmap images without increasing the file size and being able to optimize the image quality, that is in the tools section of the Discord. Go ahead and pop in there, play around with that. It is written in Ruby. You would need the interpreter or to port it yourself. Other than that, you guys have a great, fantastic week. Thanks for watching as always. Even if I'm tired and bored and have to go to work, but other than that, please do enjoy the rest of your week. I'll see you next Wednesday, and yeah, other than that, like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that stuff. See you then. Good night. See you later.